Good afternoon, class. So, class, what can you say about the pictures? When you see a light, what comes to your mind? Okay. Yes. Good. Another. Yes. Okay, good. Yes. Yes, good. Okay, that's okay. Another one. Okay, thank you. Why we need lights? Yes. Good. Yes. Okay, that's good. Yes, another. Okay. Share your ideas. Okay. Yes. Next. Okay, very good. Another. Last one. Okay. Last one. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Class, listen. I want you to group yourself into 4 groups. Choose your own group, and I want all the leaders will chat me or inform me who will be their members. Is that clear? For your activity, I will just upload it in our Google Classroom, and please be guided. Please be guided for all the directions, the information in our Google Classroom. I want you to submit it in a PPT. Each group. Is that clear? If hindi nyo masubmit in our Google Classroom because of the internet connections or the connection, so you can submit in my email or in my messenger as long as you can submit. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. And I want all the leaders will be the one to submit the PowerPoint presentation. Okay? Yes. I mean, each group choose their leaders. So, kung sino man yan si leader, siya lang yung magsasubmit ng task nyo or the activity nyo sa akin para hindi magkagulo. Okay na? Okay. So, class, our topic for today is the basic natures of life. Our eyes can only see light that is of wavelength approximately of 400 to 700 nanometers. So, class, 400 to 700 nanometers. So, the lights of other wavelengths includes the X-rays, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays. We cannot see them directly. These are also members of the light family. So, class, bright light has many particles, while dark light has fewer particles. These particles of light are called photons. Always remember this, class. Light travels at the speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. Class, light also can travel around the Earth, which is 7.5 times mere 1 second. So that range called visible light. So this property of light is utilized in many technical applications, such as optical communications, which is transfer a huge data in a very short time. However, even light, which is faster than anything known to a man, can move only 0.3 millimeters in a trillionth of a second. So next, class, let's proceed to the properties of light. So guys, the number 1 is the light reflex. Light reflects when the sunlight striking a mountain bounce back in many directions. So this is called reflect. So the next one is the light scatters. The light scatters when striking the various particles and molecules in the atmosphere. Next one is the light refracts. Light refracts at the boundary between air and water in the glass because light travels at a different speed in air and water. The next one is the light interferes. Light interferes when the light moves in a various directions so that the light waves are constantly striking against each other. So the phenomenon in this light, which is occurs when the light wave collides with each other, is called interference. So, sino dito yung mahilig mag-balloon-balloon? Yung using the soap. Soap. Okay, the bar soap. Diba, as you can see, when we blow like that, there's a lot of bubbles. So, that is called light interferes. Makikita natin yung mga bilog-bilog na bubbles, may mga different colors, then we're happy seeing that colors. So, doon nagkakaroon ng light interferes. Nagkakaroon siya ng mga iba't ibang color. It forms blue, pink, yellow, something like that. So, class, the last one is the light disappears. The light from the sun, it is called a white light beam. But it actually is a mixture of a different colored lights which appear to our eyes. So, class, in addition, did you observe a rainbow after the rain? Di ba sometimes meron, then sometimes din wala. Pero sometimes din talaga, after the rain, meron talaga yung mga rainbows with the different colors, and we're happy seeing that rainbow. And it is because of the droplets in the air, just like a prism causing dispersion, and the light reaching our eyes appears as continuous bands of different colors. That is why, parang after the rain, we will still expect that there's a rainbow with a lot of colors. Any questions, clarification, class, so that I can answer and clarify it to you before we will proceed to our quiz? Anyone, please don't be shy to ask questions. Okay, is that clear? Everyone, is that clear? Okay, good, very good. So our quiz for today is a modified true or false. And I will upload it in our Google Classroom. And please don't leave our Google Meet. If you will leave our Google Meet, so it means you're absent and you don't need to take a quiz. Is that clear? So, just leave it blank. But still, your present is in the Google Meet. Okay, I will upload. I will just give you a 15 minutes to answer. And please submit it on time. As you may encode or you may write, kindly submit it in our Google Classroom. But if others can't submit in our Google Classroom, you may submit through Messenger. Just put your names and your sections and the name of the activity. Okay, class, time's up. Submit your quiz. Let's call it a day. Goodbye, class. Okay, thank you.